If you're trading Forex or CFDs on MetaTrader 5, you should always use a stop loss and take profit. So here's how to set both in under 2 minutes. So firstly, let us set the SL and TP before opening a trade. So open a chart and then click on New Order. Before placing the trade, you'll see fields labeled Stop Loss and Take Profit. Then you can just go ahead and enter your prices right over here. So type the price where you want the trade to close in loss, the trade to close in profit, and then press buy or sell. Then the next one, you can add the SL and TP after the trade is open. So you go to the trade tab at the bottom, then right click your open position and select modify or delete. Enter stop loss and take profit prices and click modify. Also, we have another method, which is number 3. You can do it in the fastest way to set on the chart. So on the chart, you'll see your entry line and drag below the entry to create a stop loss and above the entry to create the profit. MT5 automatically applies it. And then important notes, something that's good to know. SL protects your capital and TP locks in profit. They work even if the app is closed. And that's how you set the stop loss and take profit on MT5 and control risk on every trade. Enjoy the video. If this helped, don't forget to press the like on it indeed, and thank you for watching.